Namaskar. Hi friends, I am Errol Dawson, a member of Samarpit Kala Mandal. Samarpit Kala Mandal is a group of voluntary, selfless members. In this mandal, in this group, we have members from different walks of life. Some are teachers, some hold government jobs, some have their personal business, and so on. But the primary objective is to come and serve society. Samarpit Kala Mandal has so far rolled out two popular and loved plays. The first one was Nati Sambandha Peksha Saat Bara Mahan, based on property, how families are breaking up because of property. And the second one, which is right now on, is Arpito Ami Prabhula. My dear friends, when we get up in the morning, all of us run either to the newspaper or switch on the television to get the right picture, to get the right status of this COVID-19 in Mumbai. If we see, COVID-19 has gripped the entire world. Some of them have fallen prey to this virus. For example, Italy, Spain, and so on. They totally destroyed some of them. But in contrary, India has put up a fantastic fight. All thanks to our government. Our government is doing the best, and each one of us should cooperate with them, give them our support to fight this COVID-19, this coronavirus, so-called coronavirus. In our group, Samarpit Kala Mandal, we have all decided to have our own personal timetable. For example, myself, I get up in the morning, I go down to my terrace, I do some meditation, I do a little bit of yoga. That, so to say, tranquilizes my body, tranquilizes my mind. I do reading, I do a little bit of reading on the terrace. After that, I come down, I clean my house where I'm living. I clean since I love gardening, I do some amount of gardening. I have some animals, I have some pets. I attend to my pets. All this, my dear friends, when I do, it has a therapeutic effect on me. It makes me feel good. I feel positive during the day. Then after that, I have my breakfast. I do reading of the newspaper. I love to chat. I do some reading. I check my messages. I am on Instagram. I check my Instagram messages. From all this, I'm trying to say, my dear friends, we have a stable timetable day. We have stabled our timetable. Food, exercise, reading, little bit of social media, doing housework, doing your hobbies, whatever you like. Since I like music, I like to play the guitar. So I am practicing some of the chords. I also like to read music. I'm learning to read notations. So all this time, this lockdown time, we can spend it constructively. Look at it positively. You must look at this whole lockdown time positively. Never look at it negatively. Because if we look at it negatively, it will have a negative effect on us. And this negativity, this aura of negativity will spread in our families, in our neighborhood, in our community, and so on. It will go in concentric circles. Our Prime Minister, our government authorities are very beautifully handling this entire pandemic. And all of the only thing that they're stressing and they're emphasizing on is to maintain social distancing. I feel it is very important that we all must maintain social distancing. And that is exactly we as members of Samarpit Kala Mandal are doing. My dear friends, this lockdown time, this lockdown period, take it as a God gift. Many of us who are away from our homes and our families, and some of us who are with our homes and families, let us spend this time constructive, building our relationship with our families, building relationship with God, learning certain hobbies, and so on. If you look at it positively, it will definitely have a positive effect. And I'm confident after Samarpit Kalamandal releases this small contribution to our audiences, to our views, to our viewers, and to all of you, my dear friends, I'm sure it will have a positive effect on you. I once again thank all of you for being our support, for supporting us. My only advice, take it for whatever worth it is maintain social distancing. Secondly, stay in, stay safe is our only suggestion to you. From on behalf of Samarpit Kalamandal, thank you, dear friends.
हाय एव्हरीवन. समर्पित कला मंडळ रमेदी वसई येथून प्रसिद्ध होत असलेल्या करोना लॉकडाऊन संदर्भात व्हिडिओमध्ये सहभागी होण्यास मी फार आनंदी आहे. मी बेसिल रुमाव, राहणार विश्रामवाडी रमेदी वसई येथून आपणासमोर या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून निवेदन करीत आहे. कृपया स्वीकार करावा. करोना संसर्गाची चाहूल लागताच खबरदारी म्हणून राज्य व केंद्र शासनाने लॉकडाऊन जाहीर केला आहे. आपण सर्व जनतेने या लॉकडाऊनचे तंतोतंत पालन करून संकटाच्या वेळी करोनाविरुद्धची लढाई जिंकण्यास आपणासाठी अहोरात्र मेहनत घेत असलेल्या शासनास व कर्मचारी वर्गास प्रत्यक्ष व अप्रत्यक्षपणे सहकार्य करावे ही नम्र विनंती. आपली दिनचर्या कशी असावी याबाबत मी आपणासमोर काही मुद्दे मांडित आहे. प्रथम आपण सकाळी उठण्याची व रात्री झोपण्याची वेळ निश्चित करावी. त्यानंतर संपूर्ण दिवसाचे वेळापत्रक आपल्या सोयीनुसार करावे. जास्तच उशिरा उठणे व उशिरा झोपणे हे आरोग्यास अपायकारक आहे याची कृपया नोंद घ्या. सकाळी उठल्यापासून रात्री झोपेपर्यंतचा अवधी 16 ते 17 तासाचा असावा. संपूर्ण दिवसातून 2 ते 3 वेळा स्वयं प्रार्थना कराव्या. ह्या प्रार्थना आपणासाठी तसेच आपली काळजी घेणाऱ्या सर्वांसाठी व आभारासाठी असाव्या. सकाळ संध्याकाळ 2 वेळा किमान 2 तास वृत्तपत्रे, धार्मिक ग्रंथ आणि सामान्य ज्ञानाविषयी पुस्तकांचे वाचन करावे. घरातील कामाला शक्य तितका हातभार लावावा. घरात आवारात स्वच्छता राखावी. आपल्या वाहनांची निगा राखावी. महिलांनी आपल्या स्वयंपाकघराची काळजी घेऊन आपल्या घरकामात मग्न राहावे, जेणेकरून आपले कुटुंब आनंदी व निरोगी राहू शकेल. सर्वांनी घरात, टेरेसवर, आवारात किंवा परिसरात थोड्या वेळ चालण्याचा तसेच हलकासा व्यायामही करावा. बालगोपाळ, तरुण तरुणींनी इंडोर गेम्स, कार्टून्स, सोशल मीडिया, क्विज टेस्ट, हेल्दी फूड, कुकिंग व इटिंग, क्रिएटिव्हिटी यामध्ये मग्न राहावे. सर्व कुटुंबियांनी न्याहारी, दुपारचे जेवण, संध्याकाळचा चहा तसेच रात्रीचं जेवण एकत्र करून निरनिराळ्या चांगल्या विषयावर चर्चा कराव्या. दिवसातून 2-3 वेळा टी व्हीवरील बातम्या पाहून अपडेट राहावे. करमणुकीसाठी टी व्हीवरील चांगली मालिका, सिनेमा पाहावे. तसेच चांगले व्हिडिओ पाहणे, फेसबुक तसेच व्हॉट्सॲपचाही ठराविक वेळ वापर करावा. दुपारी जेवणाच्या तासभरानंतर ठराविक वेळ वामकुक्षी घेण्यास विसरू नका, जेणेकरून रात्रीपर्यंत ताजेतवाने राहू शकाल. मद्यपान, धूम्रपान यापासून शक्यतो दूर राहून सशक्त मोजकाच आहार घ्यावा व आपली रोगप्रतिकार शक्ती वाढवावी. अतिशय गरज भासल्यास घरातून बाहेर पडताना मास्क लावणे, गर्दीच्या ठिकाणी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पाळणे तसेच साबणाने हात धुणे या नियमाचे पालन करावे. शक्यतो घरातच राहून सुरक्षित राहावे, म्हणजे करोनाविरुद्धची लढाई आपण जिंकलोच असे समजावे. शेवटी शासन व सर्व कर्मचारी वर्ग, हितचिंतक यांना मी सुयश चिंतितो. समर्पित कला मंडळाचे तसेच आपणा सर्वांचे आभार मानतो. धन्यवाद.
Hey guys, I'm Philip Almeida from Manikpur, Vasai, and I hope you all are doing great, staying home, practicing social distancing, and maintaining a good hygiene. And while we are home doing our part, self-isolation and all, the real most valuable players are the people who are working right now. The people who are working tirelessly, doctors, nurses, the entire hospital staff, the healthcare and paramedic unit, and researchers who are trying to find a vaccine, and police force, civil servants, and people in general who are working to keep our society and system working and functioning as best as possible during this pandemic. So thank you so much, and salute to you all. And for the rest of us at home, I know it's difficult too. A lot of people's lives are being affected. There's a lot of fear, anxiety, and uncertainty going on. So I'm just here to share my thoughts and my points to help ease that out. So the most important thing is that to stay positive and to take care of our mental health by keeping our brain active. And the most effective way by far is playing games. Playing indoor and board games at home with a family, like carom, chess, ludo, monopoly, business, or even card games like Uno and Bluff. Like, remember the old days. Playing games like this not just strengthens our mental health, but also strengthens our bond and relation with our family members, which is so important in today's time. Another effective way to keep our brain active is by learning and exploring new things, whether it be cooking or experimenting new flavors and recipes, or learning to play a new musical instrument if available. For example, this is a tremolo harmonica. It was gifted to me by my friend on my last birthday, but I never could find time to learn and play this instrument until now. For last 1 month of my quarantine period, I made a good progress in learning and playing this instrument. So yes, there are so many other things to learn and explore. New language, new subject of academia, coding, or if not that, simply Netflix and chill also works. Even that's important. Money heist. Make a good and quality use of this time, so that after lockdown and quarantine period, you have come out a little more knowledgeable, a little more skilled, a little more healthier, and a lot more empathetic than when you entered the self-isolation period. We will most certainly come out of this pandemic for sure. We would even become immune to this virus itself, like always. But we are not immune to the viruses of hate, of fear, of other negative emotions. We never have been. But we can be the people who discovers the cure. The answer truly lies in our humanity. Remember friends, we are all in this together. So stay clean, stay home, stay safe.